Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have an exciting news for you. Barış Baktaş and Yağmur Yüksel made a big gesture for the birthday, and this is not something that no one expects. What did he do to excite the fans? Following for all the shocking details, Yağmur Yüksel's birthday celebrations already attracted great attention for fans, while Barış Baktaş was surprised to celebrate the special day. The couple, who took their share from the ups and downs, showed their love to each other quite clearly. Sources say the reign of peace paparazzi, giving a beautiful and secluded place away from his curious eyes. It was reported that this surprise was planned for months to make sure that everything is perfect for the reign. We will convey the details of the surprise to you in new videos.